Welcome back, guys. Whenever you've taken a course and you are done with it, you'll see something like this. You'll be able to add to your LinkedIn profile directly and you'll be able to download your certificate. So let me click on add to LinkedIn profile directly. And right now, you'll be able to add that to your LinkedIn profile. This is the caption that comes with it. You can change it if you want to, then you can leave it that way. But I'll add it to my profile anyways. And here it is, me adding it to my profile. And now I've been able to add it to my profile. You can view it on my profile right here. I'll open this, then you can download your certificate. There are two types of certificates to download. You can download the one for International Institute of Business Analysis. You can download the one for LinkedIn Learning Certificate. So you can check them out and download them anyhow you want to. You download them, and that's how you can utilize this LinkedIn Learning for yourself. And when you come back to your home, there is a side panel. Look at this side panel. You have your home, you have your career journey, you have your library. Your library is where you're going to see the courses you have saved, the one you are taking at the moment. So as you can see, I have different courses in progress, and I have the ones saved, and I have the one I'm done with. You see them in your learning history. These are the ones I'm going through right now, and these are the ones in my learning history. And regarding certification, as you can see, these are the ones I've completed. I've completed all these, and as you can see them. And regarding your certification, you get to check certification here. Just this side panel, just look for certifications, and you see certification courses, professional certificates, where you get to write exams. You get to take this course and write exams. As you can see, you can just check them, and you see the show all. You see different certificates you can take. The ServiceNow IT leadership professional certificates. You can take the customer service professional certificate, the project management professional certificate. You see a whole lot of certificates right here for your career choice. And you have DevOps professional certificate. You have microservice foundation professional certificate. You have the Adobe InDesign professional certificate. You have a whole lot of options to go through, and you'll be given a certificate. Let me show you my profile right away. And when you check my profile, you see the certificate section. The more I'm getting those courses and getting those certificates, the more you see. This is the post that I just posted. You can check this out. So I'll open the link. Then when you come down here, you see my licenses and certification. This is one of the certificates I got from LinkedIn Learning, which is Career Essentials in Cybersecurity by Microsoft and LinkedIn. And you see other certificates and licenses as well from LinkedIn Learning. And that's how to do this. That's how to utilize your LinkedIn Learning for your own perusal. And this is the post that comes with me finishing the course. Just finished the course, Practical Security for IT Professionals. And you see it right here. I have it as a post. I'm going to close that. Then right here, you see my different licenses from LinkedIn Learning. This is one, this is another one, and we have a whole lot like that. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.